video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Pilot. Optimal utility, indulgent interior, powerful performer. You'll be ready for almost anything in the Honda Pilot. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power lift gate, navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, security system, power windows. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.